everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about security of virtual data rooms. Virtual data rooms are secure online repositories where businesses can store and share confidential documents with external parties. So let's go. VDRs are commonly used in mergers and acquisition, fundraising, and other business transactions where sensitive information needs to be shared. Security is a top priority for businesses that are using VDRs. VDRs must be able to protect confidential information from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, modification, or destruction. Security features of VDRs. VDRs typically offer a number of security features to protect data, including encryption. All data stored in a VDR should be encrypted at rest and in transit. This will help to protect data from unauthorized access even if the VDR is compromised. Access controls. VDRs should offer granular access controls that allow businesses to control who can access to which documents and folders. This will help to ensure that confidential information is only accessible to authorized users. Audit trails. VDRs should generate audit trails that track all activity in the VDR. This will help businesses to identify any unauthorized access or attempts to modify their data. Compliance. VDRs should comply with all applicable industry regulations such as GDPR and HIPAA. This will help to ensure that data is protected in accordance with the law. Choosing a secure VDR. When choosing a VDR, it is important to consider the following factors. Security features. Make sure that the video provided all of the security features that you need, such as encryption, access controls, audit trails, and compliance. Reputation. Choose a video provider with a good reputation for security and reliability. Pricing. Compare the pricing of different video providers to find one that meets your budget. Tips for keeping your video software secure. Here are some tips for keeping your video secure. Use a strong passwords and enable multi-factor authentication. This will help to protect your video account from unauthorized access. Set granular access controls. This will allow you to control who has access to which documents and folders in your video. Use watermarks and DRM controls. This will help to deter unauthorized copying and distribution of your documents. Monitor activity on your video. This will help you to identify any suspicious activity and take corrective actions if necessary. Keep your video up to date. Video providers regularly release security updates. Be sure to install the latest updates on your video as soon as they are available. That's all for today. Hope you've understand the topic. Thank you so much everyone, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. I will meet you in the next video. Till that, stay tuned, take care, and bye bye.